did she keep crying? I'm a lord. I can eat anything I want. Where is that cool drink? Here you go, my child. Is that a cool drink? I think the luncheon is thank you. My little soda pop. What is this sharp Where's my tissue? Is that a cool drink? I think I gave it wrong to that kid. My God. Uh-oh, I think it fell right to her head. I really don't want tissue, just take back this. I'm alone, why shouldn't I know this? Whatever, I got my tissue now. Let me just use my tissues. I'm so beauty because I'm alone. I'm alone, I have to be beauty, so I shouldn't skip my night routine. My night routine is so nice. What the kid just want? Take my notebook. This kid is doing a lot of fun. Shahana. Good. She can't go to heaven. She did so much. Whatever. I'm gonna try this tomorrow. I see the beauties. The beauty sky. I am the Lord. So I am beautiful. The morning too. My Lord says, Adeline. She's doing a lot of fun. Kid, I'm watching. She tells her friend is dumb. She tells Nayo her friend is dumb. Her name is Sahana. Sahana tells Nayonika your friend is dumb. Sahana. I'm gonna do my best.